the past regulation of self-experimentation is a really interesting one. So the Nuremberg Code that was developed in 1947 it was developed in light of the horrific medical experiments that had been performed on concentration camp survivors or prisoners by German medical scientists. But interestingly, in the Nuremberg Code, they say in Article 5, they say no experiment should be conducted if there is an a priori reason death or disabling injury will occur, except perhaps in experiments where experimental physicians also serve as subjects. This relates to something quite specific in history, and that is that the people who came up with the Nuremberg Code were worried that the defense for the German scientists would point to a yellow fever inoculation experiment that had been done in the States quite some years before, so a few years before, and they trialed it on a whole bunch of human research participants, but also the experimenters got involved and they inoculated themselves with a sort of slightly suppressed version of yellow fever. And some of the experimenters died, but also a number of the participants died. And the people who came up with the code were worried that that would be used as an example. And so they provided a specific exemption